Okay, so good day mga ka-Fatboy. Welcome back to Fatboy Customs. Okay, so meron tayo ngayon dalawang PCX, isang PCX 160, alright, and isang PCX 150. Now, here's the first PCX. Ito ay PCX 160 ABS version. Black siya, alright. Now, on this motorbike, actually meron siyang PIAA dati. The problem is may mga trigger happy na car wash boy, so inabot or tinamaan yung kanyang loud horn. Okay, so pumunta si bossing para magpakabit ng panibago. So he chose the Seger loud horn. So here we go, meron tayong sound check. Here we go, chance me, let's see loud horn. Yun, no? Seger is water resist, made from Germany. Alright? Okay, going to our second PCX. This is PCX 150. Yung color red, no? So this one, yung first namin is gagawin lang ay knuckle bearing. Alright, yan. Pinalitan namin siya ng original knuckle bearing coming from Honda. And then we found out yung kanyang front shocks ay pinaripak niya sa ibang shop. Okay, okay naman yung repack. The problem is pinalitan nila kasi ng spring, so umigsi yung spring, and then nilagyan ng dalawang bola sa ilalim, so nawala yung seat pipe ng spring. I don't know what happened, pero wala na sila ni customer. And we replace it with a TTGR front shocks made for PCX. Okay, this is PCX 150. Meron sila niyan. For PCX 160 meron din. So everything is available. Alright? So thank you for watching Fatboy Customs, and see you on our next video.